Quick video, quick message. If you're doing your own injector replacement and you're around Melbourne somewhere and you haven't got the equipment, you need the injector compensation codes to be input and the pilot learn. It's basically free. As long as you got a box, it's free. You know what I'm talking about? You just need a box and then it's free. And this is not for me, but this is the current bribery. So that's what everybody likes. That's the go. That's the stuff. And also the other thing you can get for free if you've got a box, if you're doing your own suspension, say you get the Dobson's kit from me on Tuesday, suspension day, and you want to get do it the most efficient way possible. So we don't order them assembled. We save on that labor and we save on those, replacing those top hats. It'll be a bit cheaper. Then what you do, you pull your suspension out, you make an appointment with us either at Hillside or at Sunshine, and we make a time that's mutually beneficial. You pull your fronts out, you go to pick up your kit from, say, Sunshine's probably the place to do this job, Sunshine only, there you go. You go to pick up your kit from there and you bring your front struts, and if you've got a box, then for free, they will disassemble your front struts, reuse the top hats off your front struts and put your new Dobson's gear together for you, give you the whole kit, and as long as you paid for it anyway. If you haven't paid for it, then you can pay for it, but a lot of people have already paid for it. It's up to you whether you want to pay for it, like that when you pick it up, whatever. We'll work that detail out, but the point is, if you've got a box, you get that work done for free as well. So there's two things you can get for free. You can get your compensation codes put in and your pilot learn in Sunshine, or you can get your Dobson's front suspension assembled, as long as you bring your old ones together in Sunshine. If we do this for you, and for whatever reason, whatever top hats you've got, any of your front suspension, please save those, get those to us, whether they're assembled or not, because what we'll do then, we can have a changeover system once we get a few in stock. So whatever you do, don't scrap those, don't throw those out. Let me know where you are around Melbourne, northern, western suburbs. If you've got a set of front struts, we'll grab them so that we can disassemble those and reuse the top hats and help people out. Thanks for watching a quick, short video. Grab the right box. It's Asahi. See ya.